Welcome to this quick video before I run to return these two studio lights. So this is GVM, great video maker, LED studio lights. So I bought this from Amazon. This is the light that I bought. It says it's 480 LEDs, dimmable lights. That means you can increase and decrease the brightness between 2300K and 6800K. So this comes with two LED stands, lights, along with the light. So I'm gonna explain you why I decided to return this. So first of all, this is, quite good LEDs if you are starting to do YouTube indoors, and it's perfectly fine. But I will get back why I'm going to return. On the back you have the controls. First of all, you can also plug batteries if you want, but I didn't buy the batteries because the set doesn't come with batteries. It only comes with this unit without the batteries, and it has two knobs and an LED display, so I can turn it on. So this side is for the power from the AC line, and this is from the battery. I put this in and you can see it shows the temperature. It's also really smart in a way that it displays stuff. For example, it shares the same LED screen or LCD, whatever you call it, to determine the temperature and also the percentage of the brightness. For now it's set to 6000. I can change it using this knob, the temperature and also the brightness. Then you can see it switches. This light means it's 29%. You can go up to 99%. For some reason it doesn't go to 100, and also at the minimum is 10%. And also you can change the temperature, as you can see. It also comes with the stand like this, something like this, and you can easily plug like this. It's quite easy. You just take it out and then put it in, and then you can rotate this knob to tighten this. But the problem is, these stands are really rigid and very steady. It doesn't swivel a lot, so I really like the stands. So the problem comes when you try to control them through the app. Let me also turn this on. So now both of the lights are on. Let me not blind you. Let me show you the app. So the app is GVM Easy, but the problem is it doesn't connect through Bluetooth. It connects through Wi-Fi hotspot, and each of the lights will have their own Wi-Fi hotspot. So that's the problem. So now I'm connected to my home Wi-Fi. Let me show you the Wi-Fi connections. And so it will have two here and here, like two Wi-Fi hotspots for each of the lights. That's insane, because whenever I'm trying to control either of these lights, I have to connect to this particular hotspot, and then it's connected. Go to the app and then check the device connection, and it says connected. Then I can control. Now you can see this light. I can switch it on and off. We can control without an issue. And let me switch the device. So it doesn't really change. So I have to, if I need to connect to a different light, I have to go to settings, switch Wi-Fi, and then select the second light, which should come like this. And of course I can't remember. Yes, now it's connected. And then I go to the app, go back, and now the other, as you can see, now I can control the other light. So switch off. So this is very bad, because the thing is, I do recordings all by myself, and if you have someone to control the light and brightness and everything, then it's fine, but I do it by myself, so I have to get up and change the brightness and the color and sit down and check from my laptop or even from the screen if the lights are okay. And there is no way that I can do it remotely. If I have to do it, I have to go to the extra hassle of switching my Wi-Fi and change the brightness, and I don't really want to do this. When you are connected to this particular Wi-Fi of either of these devices, you are disconnected from internet, and you will not receive any notifications or whatsoever. So it's still doable, it's fine. It needs a bit of patience, but I think I'm not that patient enough, so probably I'm gonna return this. Overall, this light, I'm super impressed with the quality of the light and also the build quality. This is metal. These things are metal, even though these bandos are plastic, but they are very very hard plastic, and the stand is amazing. But this, because of this problem, I'm still fine if it was a Bluetooth or even I get a remote with this thing. I think there is another version that it comes with the remote, but I expected when they say it comes with the app, you can control using the app without any problem. So neither they have this kind of setup, but they use Bluetooth. So they use Bluetooth, so no problems whatsoever. So this is a big no-no for me. So I hope you liked the video, or if you are ever going to buy studio lights, this is not a proper review. This is more like, don't buy this LED light unless you have someone to control the lighting. Because I do it alone, I don't have anyone to do this, and I don't really like it. So that's it from me, and see you in the next one. And sorry for all the clutter around, because this is like a quick video. Bye bye.